हेलो
हाँ कार्तिक स्टार्ट करो.
स्टार्ट.
Hello everyone. Today we'll conduct a lecture. जिसमें there will be a interaction with video. I have removed some video from YouTube related to our topics. जो topic हमने पढ़ा है about the stress, alcohol and आगे जो हम पढ़ने वाले. So some videos I will show you today. The videos which I'm showing you right now is the topic which already we have completed. Or some videos I will show you when I will proceed with the chapter. Okay. So first we'll see some videos which already we have finished in first 2 pages. जिससे आपका concept much more clear हो जाएगा. Okay. So I'm sharing. Now the first video which I'm going to share is symptoms of stress. Already we have learned the factors which affect the social health. What are the factors we have learned? We learned about stress, addictions, then incurable disease and excessive use of modern technology. Now when you will see the stress, what are the symptoms is shown when you have a stress and how it affects your body. Carefully everybody will see the video, please. It can read the sentence given in the top. Racing words can keep you awake. Even worse, lack of sleep can cause it more stress. It can affect your skin. Stress, skin problem. Can cause the wounds heal more slowly, takes more time to heal. It's bad for your heart, very important. It's bad for your heart. Adrenaline is released. Hormones increases your heart rate and blood pressure. Help you to get sick because of stress. You can get sick. Catch a cold and cough. Immune system decrease करता है. You can get a cold and cough. Mess with your digestion. आपके digestion को affect कर सकता है. These are the symptoms of stress. Lead to heartburn, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. These all symptoms can happen because of stress. Your best bet for staying is stress. Have this healthy food and diet. इससे आप stress से बच सकते हो. Regular exercise is also very important to maintain a stress. And at least 7.5 hours of sleep each night. रात को वीडियो मत देखो ज्यादा. Get a sleep. Okay. Now, stress video से आपको क्या पता चला? What are the effect the stress is doing in your body? और इतना सारा effects अगर हमारे body में होगा because of stress, whether our social health will be affected, yes, the social health will be affected. तो आपको first concept clear है जो हमने discuss किया था about the stress, how the stress affects the social health. By seeing the video आपको और ज़्यादा clear हो गया कि how the stress can affect your body, can affect your mental and physical healthness and your health. और उसको बचना है तो क्या करना है? That also small information they have given. You have to have a very healthy food diet, and the most important, try to have a regular exercise. And सबसे important जो बच्चे नहीं कर रहे हैं, night sleep. What I'm saying, they are busy with mobile and phone in the late night till 2 and 3 a.m. sorry, and at last morning उनको उठना पड़ता है, and hardly they're getting a sleep of 5 to 6 hours. But at least कितना sleep होना चाहिए? Minimum that should be a 7 to 8 hours के बीच का sleep होना चाहिए. And if you're not getting enough sleep, then also you can have a problem of stress. So stress is very much clear. So we have studied in the last class, stress affect the social health. Understood everybody वीडियो से, right? और हमने क्या लर्न किया था? अल्कोहल के इफेक्ट्स के लिए भी मैंने वीडियो निकाला है. Again, I will show you the video how the alcohol affects your body. Then you come to know कि why I'm saying again कि the alcohol is not good for your body. This is in the column.
हेलो
Yes.
प्रोफेसर माइक थोड़ा बाजू में रखो, मुंह के बाजू में, वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
Okay. Has been ranked as one of the 5 most addictive substances. ब्रेन डेलिकेट न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, ब्रेन इफेक्ट हो सकता है. Production of dopamine is one type of hormones which tricks the brain to think of actually feeling great. सकता है alcohol make you feel very great, shrinks and disturbs the brain, make the thinker feel drowsy, suffer from memory loss, memory problem हो सकता है. Be careful. Sudden mood swinging, over time changes, the brain structure changes हो सकता है because of alcohol. To cover more alcohol frequent can lead to what? Again, heart cardiac can have a stretching of the heart, arrhythmias, irregular heartbeat, stroke भी हो सकता है. You know what is stroke? Again, a big problem to liver. Already मैंने discuss किया था, liver is affected. Alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis, pancreatitis, pancreas भी affect हो सकता है. कैंसर, माउथ, इसोफेगस कैंसर भी हो सकता है because of excessive use of alcohol. Weakens your immune system. Easily आप बीमार पड़ सकते हो again. Hangover is to worries. Now there is a 3-4 lines in the alcohol, the drawback of alcohol. इसके लिए मुझे लगा कि I should show you the video what is the effect of alcohol. You can see heart, liver, pancreas. सबसे ज्यादा हमारे for brain, हमारे जो CNS है, brain and spinal को, central nervous system को सबसे ज्यादा affect कर सकता है. You can decrease your thinking power, आपके immune system को affect करता है. इसलिए please avoid the drugs and alcohol. लाइफ में कभी ये अल्कोहल ड्रग्स यूज नहीं करना. दे हैव अ सीरियस इफेक्ट इन योर बॉडी. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? ओके. Now I will explain you the some topics and again I will show one more video, the negative effects of technology, which also I want to share you today. Okay, उसके पहले we'll start the chapter where we have ended last class. Okay. Now you will see last class what we have done. We have discussed all the 4 factors which affect the social health. So there is some question, recall related. From there we have start. The question is, do you recall the sudden closing of any cartoon serial for an origin being telecast on television? ऐसा कोई है कार्टून सीरियल जिसके ऊपर बैन लगाया था इंडिया में? You know सिंचैन एक आता था, जापानीज है आई थिंक. ओके, एवरीबॉडी नो सिंचैन. अभी भी आता है बट पहले बीच में उसमें बैन लगाया था. सिंचैन जापानीज क्यों लगाया था? द बिहेवियर ऑफ द बॉय का जो बिहेवियर इतना ज्यादा एग्रेसिव था, इट वाज क्रिएटिंग अ नेगेटिव इंपैक्ट ऑन द चिल्ड्रंस. Because of that cartoon, it was creating a negative impact on the children. So what the government did, they banned the Shinchan. I've removed some cartoon which is not only banned in India but the whole world में banned हुआ था. एक तो Shinchan is the best example. Still you can see वो आता है. One more is the SpongeBob. There was a cartoon name as a SpongeBob जिसमें high amount of violence and a foul language. उस कार्टून में high amount of violence and they used a very foul language which was creating a bad impact on the children. तो whole world के अंदर ये कार्टून क्या हो गया बेटा? बैन हो गया. See, the cartoon can also affect your mind setup. So the meaning as a there are many cartoons which government actually banned because it is creating a negative impact on the children. One more cartoon is a Tailspin. Tailspin में सबसे बड़ा reasons क्या था, you know, in that Asian countries के बारे में वो बहुत ही अच्छा नहीं बताता था. It was totally, you know, about the Asian countries like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan. हमारे countries के बारे में the wrong information they used to spread. तो फाइनली उसमें क्या गया, होल वर्ल्ड वाइज उसमें बैन हो गया. एंड वन मोर इज द सिम्पसन, जिसमें अगेन वायलेंस, ह्यूमिलेशंस, फैमिली वैल्यूज कुछ भी नहीं था, एंड इट वाज क्रिएटिंग अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन द चिल्ड्रन. So you see the government has banned many cartoon networks because it was creating a negative impact on the children's or a human body. So under some cartoons ka name, okay, and next is, I think everybody know this. Explain details on what happening about the blue whale game. You've heard about the blue whale game? सुना है आपने? I think he's a oriented था, right? Oriented था, right? इसमें कुछ 50 targets they used to give, and 8 targets के बाद you have completed, they provide you reward something, आपको reward मिलता था, and then the next target again you fulfill it, again you get a reward. This way एक एक reward वो देते जाते थे, and I think the 50th target was suicide. Many children have lost their life because of blue whale game. So when you are using a technology, when you are using any game, try to understand whether that game is impacting your mind, impacting your life with respect. अगर किसी वीडियो से, if any videos से, any game से अगर आपके माइंड पे असर हो रहा है, नहीं थिंकिंग कि हार्मफुल है, मुझे हार्म कर सकता है, प्लीज डोंट फॉलो दैट गेम. You will have to very selective. You have to be very selective the which game I should play and which game I should not play. This is what the government is educating us. Okay, be careful when you are using any game. So I understood there are certain games which can be harmful to you. Be very careful. Mostly the blue games, but I think totally ban लगा दिया है. It can be fatal. A person can die. याद रखना, person can die. Be very careful. Now, children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the characters of those films. They try to imitate Chota Bheem, Doraemon. सुने? शक्तिमान. When Shaktiman used to have many children who jump from the building. सुना अपना ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था, तो शक्तिमान पे भी बैन लगा दिया. उनको ऐसा लगता था कि when I will jump from the building, the Shaktiman will come and help me. They try to imitate the characters of the what? Of the films, of these films, and ultimately it can be and lose their life. तो कार्टून का इतना इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है चिल्ड्रंस में. बी केयरफुल. इट इज जस्ट एंड वीडियो, ए फिल्म. रियलिटी उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. टेंडेंसी and behavior of the children who plays the game like virtual war है ना, fighting वाला war. PUBG, I think many are playing PUBG. And car races especially deliberately brought about virtual accidents in the game, gradually become negative. हमने देखा है जो कार रेसिंग गेम खेलते हैं, the people or the children who are playing a virtual war, उनके अंदर नेगेटिविटी ज्यादा डेवलप होती है. So it's my request, ज्यादा टाइम PUBG and all पे वेस्ट मत करो. It can develop a negative impact in your life or in your body. You have to be very, very careful when you're selecting any games. Such games available on cell phone and computers are extremely time consuming. You can waste a huge amount of time because of this game. And the time waste, ultimately your health will be affected and your social health will be affected, because you will not get time to interact with the friends and the relatives. Understood? Time consuming and also cause economic losses. There are certain games we have to buy. You know, we have to buy, pay money, है ना, money pay करना पड़ता है, and then we have to buy. Economic losses, loss of money can take place, and to lose concentration on some essential subject, and you can lose the concentration on essential subject which is very important for your life. आपका पूरा ध्यान essential subject से निकल जाएगा. You will totally concentrate on the game, and again your life, okay, difficult or a problem in your life. And I told you the most important may also prove fatal. You can lose your life. आपका life भी जा सकता है. Example already मैंने बताया blue whale game का. It can be fatal. Along with some useful purposes, huge information available on the internet is used for viewing some इनएप्रोप्रिएट वीडियोस भी है, अगेन वो हमारे माइंड को डिस्टर्ब कर सकता है, हमारे स्टडीज में इंटरफेयर कर सकता है. So be very careful when you're using internet. However, there is a governmental regulation over such media. Government पूरा नजर रख रहा है, is putting eye on these videos. कौन सा videos is better for the children, which is not there. जो नहीं है उसको totally ban कर दिया गवर्नमेंट ने. वो साइट पे आप जाके ओपन करोगे videos नहीं ओपन होगा, because that sites, that videos are not good for children. तो गवर्नमेंट ने पूरा उस पे website, movies and cartoon pulls, films inappropriate for children are banned by the government. मैंने बताया ऐसे बहुत सारे कार्टून्स है, बहुत सारे वीडियोस है, बहुत सारा साइट्स गवर्नमेंट ने बैन किया. क्यों? This is affecting the children's के माइंड को अफेक्ट कर रहा है, and ultimately their studies are affected, their social health is affected. गवर्नमेंट पैसा नहीं चाहिए, they don't want you to get affected, so they have banned. Clear, understood? So be careful when you're using a cartoon, or when you're using any game or playing any game, or using internet and websites. Be very careful. Now, okay, some questions they have given. कुछ questions पूछा है उन्होंने. First question is, why there is an increase in the news of death by diving in ocean, falling in a deep valleys, or under trains during catching the सेल्फी का आजकल बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज हो गया है. एंड सेल्फी भी कैसे? टू अ वेरी डेंजरस पॉइंट. सिंपल नहीं. when they are going to the mountain के एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे जाएंगे, एट द कॉर्नर. ओके कि मैं आई विल पुट अ स्टेटस एंड आई विल गेट द एप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड. और क्या सेल्फी निकाला फॉर अ रॉन्ग एप्रिसिएशन. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? गोइंग टू द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन्स, एकदम कॉर्नर में. रनिंग ट्रेन चल रहा है, रनिंग ट्रेन में वी आर टेकिंग अ वीडियो, लीनिंग आउटसाइड एंड टेकिंग अ वीडियो. क्यों? स्टेटस के लिए, एप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा. वी आर गोइंग टू द एक्सट्रीम लेंथ टू गेट दिस एप्रिसिएशन. एप्रिसिएशन से क्या होने वाला है? कुछ फायदा नहीं है. एंड वन स्मॉल मिस्टेक कैन बी fatal, you can die. हैंड छोड़ दिया एंड टेकिंग रिकॉर्डिंग द वीडियोस, सेल्फी ले रहे फॉर एप्रिसिएशन. कौन सा एप्रिसिएशन? जिस एप्रिसिएशन का कुछ भी मतलब नहीं है, वो लाइफ में आपको कुछ भी हेल्प नहीं करने वाला. एप्रिसिएशन सर फुलिशनेस. So when you are taking a selfie, अगर selfie लेने का, I'm not against the selfie, but by sitting at home with a family also you can take a selfie. एक safe place में भी आप selfie ले सकते हो. I'm not able to understand why we have to go to the extreme land, to the extreme point or to the dangerous point. ये करके हम क्या साबित करना चाहते हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. So when you're taking a selfie, be very careful. There are many incidents have been taken place because of drowning in ocean. Ocean के बीच में जाके selfie ले रहे. जुहू बीच में I think accident हुआ था. Some students were going in the down with the बीच में जाके selfie ले रहे थे, and the waves came and they all inside. बाद में उसको बहुत मेहनत से पुलिस से बाहर निकाला. Falling in the deep valleys, extreme corners, valleys पे जाके selfie निकाल रहे. Under trains during catching the self trains के बाहर लीन होके क्या हुआ? पोल आया, पोल लग गया, the person has died. They will have to very careful when taking a selfies. आपको सेल्फीज के लिए कुछ एक्सट्रीम लेंथ तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो जो एप्रिसिएशन आपको मिल रहा है फेसबुक पे, व्हाट्सएप पे, वो एप्रिसिएशन का कुछ मतलब नहीं है. तो एप्रिसिएशन के लिए अपने लाइफ को खतरे में मत डालो प्लीज. And the next question they asked is, there is an increased competition to upload the videos of road accidents instead of helping the victims. What is the mentality of such people? A person is dying after road accidents. People have the time to take a video for 40 to 45 minutes. वो तड़प रहा है, he's crying for help. Nobody is ready to help, but everybody is ready to taking a video. I'm not able to understand. If you can take a videos, why you cannot help that person? 45 minutes का वीडियो है, वो 45 minutes के अंदर अगर उसको हम हॉस्पिटल में लेके चले जाते, we would have saved the life of that person. But we are not ready to help them, but we are ready to take a videos. क्यों? I will upload in the where? In the Facebook and WhatsApp. तो चलो बोलेंगे कितना अच्छा appreciation. Again appreciation. What is appreciation? One person is losing his life. One person is dying. आपका small help उसका life बचा सकता था. But what you did? Instead of helping that person, what you were doing? Irresponsible, insensitive. it is irresponsible, insensitive natures, and lack of helpful nature. This is the lack of helpful nature. So please, अगर ऐसा कभी incident हो सकता है, if you can help, it will be much better. If you can help him, it will be much better. अगर help नहीं कर सकते हो, तो please don't try to do this videos and try to upload for the wrong appreciations. Understood what I'm saying? Clear? Next question. Try to read it. What is the next question? Why are the video clips of parents threatening or hitting the children non-studying as per the wish? इसमें दो क्वेश्चन है. पहला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the parents are threatening the children for not studying. उसके लिए some parents have high expectations. They want the children to have a high grade, and वो high expectation or high grades बच्चा fulfill नहीं कर पा रहा है, and then sometimes what happen, the parents threat them, hit them. Not see, ऐसा नहीं है कि parents are threatening them for studies, मतलब you want them to score 99%. Why they threaten them? Why when shout them? When actually you are not studying, you are totally avoiding the studies. कोई भी parents बच्चे का दुश्मन नहीं होता है, enemies कभी नहीं है. Whatever he is shouting or threatening, okay, is happening because for your betterment. Some parents हैं जो extreme level पे जाते हैं. For what? For high grade, high percentage. हो सकता है बच्चे का ability नहीं है, but you are pushing. You are trying to pushing again कि नहीं, I want you to get 99, 98, and the person has the ability of 80, 85. That time the parent should also be very careful. Try to understand the limitation of your student. Limitations से थोड़ा बहुत push is okay, but excess push is not good. Can create a mental stress in your child or a negative impact on a child. But child का भी duty है, he or she have to give their best. आपको अपना best देना है. Be careful. Are the domestic helpers beating the children? Are very common on social media. Now you have seen many videos. News पे भी आया. The domestic helpers are what? Beating the small children. Now domestic helpers कहाँ पे beat करते हैं? Mostly जहाँ पे मम्मी पापा both are working. They both are working. They don't have the time to for the children, क्योंकि उनको office जाना है. So what, they keep a domestic helpers. Now somewhere we have seen the domestic helpers are sometimes get irritated with the घर का जो मालिक है उसने बहुत शाउट किया, they get irritated. अभी घर के मालिक को तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, the owners को. तो what they do, they hit the children. Irritations में कहीं कहीं तो उनको इतना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट जाता है, नॉट अ प्रॉपर फूड, टाइम पे दे डोंट गिव पेमेंट टू देम, इतना उनको हैरेसमेंट किया जाता है द डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर्स को. तो दे गेट अंदर उनको बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा एंड ऑल दिस हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट दे डू, पूरा का पूरा चीज दे रिमूव ऑन द स्मॉल चिल्ड्रंस. We have seen certain accidents जिसमें domestic helpers is hitting the childrens. Incidents भी बहुत होता है. This again because of irritations and because of the mental stress. Okay, so whatever the domestic helpers जो है हमारे घर पे, try to respect them. उनको भी एक equally treat करो. Try to provide them proper food and money जब भी जरूरत हो. Okay, they are also human being because उनका stress and irritations can create problem to us also. So this again a mental stress and irritations होता है. The domestic helpers are beating the for the children. Now see one question given. Observe the above image. Is it rational? Why? क्या वो rational है? Rational मतलब whether there is any logic or reason behind this. क्या ये rational है कि irrational है? Whether this image is rational or irrational. It is definitely it is irrational. If you are standing on the center of the road and you are taking a selfie, the car is coming behind you. Whether आपका एक्सीडेंट होगा कि definitely there will be an accident, can be fatal for you. So in any condition this is not a rational, it is an irrational. आपको सेल्फी लेने का इतना क्रेज नहीं है कि सेंटर ऑफ द रोड पे जाके लो. मैंने आपको बताया कार में ले रहे, कार का हैंडल छोड़ के बाइक यूर टेकिंग, रिमूविंग द हैंडल एंड टेकिंग द सेल्फी. दिस इज द रॉन्ग थिंग. रॉन्ग एप्रिसिएशन के चक्कर में मत पड़ो. इट कैन बी फैटल. आपका लाइफ भी जा सकता है. You understand what we have studied? The drawback of cartoon. Drawback of what? There are certain inappropriate videos present on the website can affect you. And selfie and all के जो wrong appreciations है उसके लिए selfie किसी extreme point पे मत लो, can be dangerous. दूसरा, okay, if you can help anybody, help it. उनका accidents का videos download करके record करके upload करना is not a good idea. Try to be helpful nature. Clear? This page is clear to everybody. I can go to the next page, right? Okay. Now this is the continuation of that activity question. person indulging in such destructive and unnatural activities, मतलब hitting the parents hitting the children, or the domestic helper is hitting the what, hitting the children. A parent, the person indulging in such destructive and unnatural activities is usually under a stress. ऐसे लोग एक्टिविटीज क्यों करते हैं बेटा? बिकॉज दे आर अंडर stress, and such activities are the bursting of stress. Stress बढ़ता गया and one day the stress got burst out, and what happened? They started hitting and all. देखो stress का इतना effect हो सकता है, and again your social health can be affected. Medical science has declared such activity as a mental illness. This is one type of mental illness. साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाओगे तो वो बताएगा आपको कि भाई दिस और शी ही और शी सफरिंग फ्रॉम मेंटल इज हिटिंग एंड ऑल, और कुछ अपलोडिंग वीडियोस एंड सेल्फीज, कहीं ना कहीं मेंटल इलनेस है एज पर द साइंस, मेडिकल साइंस. आई डोंट वांट यू टू बी अ मेंटल इल, so be very careful about this is you should not follow. Person indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risk, and this is called as a selfie side. आपने suicide सुना होगा? Now this is selfie side. मतलब because of selfie you are losing your life, because you are not thinking about the risk and what is there around you, and you are just busy in taking your selfies, and at last क्या हो गया? It can cause a big accident. So be very careful. This is all the government is educating to us. Okay, ki baba, be careful when using a selfie, when using Facebook, WhatsApp. This is the aim of the government, want to educate to you, educate the child in this current age. This is the age where this age where we can enter into the wrong directions. So the main motive of the government is to educate about this all things which can affect your body. Now, person in domestic violence, sending message to others before committing suicide. आपने देखा आजकल suicides का भी videos बना रहे Facebook पे. You have seen? मैं भी suicide करने जा रहा हूँ. I'm very panic and all. 5 minutes का videos बनाते हैं and then they suicide. Domestic violence का video बनाते हैं and they upload in the Facebook and WhatsApp. All those who send the video clip suicidal act are mentally ill. न्यूजीलैंड में जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था आपको मालूम है? मस्जिद में देयर वाज अ फायरिंग 1 year बैक जनवरी में, जिसमें उसने यहाँ पे कुछ कैमरास लगाया था एंड उसने फायरिंग करके बहुत लोगों को मार दिया था, है कि नहीं? लाइव वीडियोस निकाला था उसने, एंड वाज लाइव फेसबुक पे उसने और चालू था एंड ऑल द वीडियोस वाज गोइंग ऑन. व्हाट मेंटल इलनेस? यू आर किलिंग द पीपल, यू आर किलिंग द इनोसेंट पीपल and you're recording the videos. It is one type of mental ill. वो भी stress में आया, जिस दिन उसका stress burst हो गया, what he did, he removed the gun and he killed many people. इतना effect stress का हो सकता है. These all are mentally ill people, and they do so to win the sympathy. Sympathy के लिए भी लोग करते हैं. मैं सुसाइड करने जा रहा हूँ and all के वीडियो बनाते हैं for gaining a wrong sympathy. उनका loss है. They are mentally ill. Okay, there's their loss. Hence, make the constructive use of, very important, make the constructive use of communication media. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not against the communication media. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा you should not use, but what is the proper word? यहाँ दिया हुआ constructive use, a proper use of communication media like television for and internet for essential needs. And internet only, but not to give into the clutches by spending us. एक साथ clutches long time बैठ के time waste मत करो. Use only for entertainment. Half an hour, 1 hour in a day we can understand, not in a clutches for hours or 8 hours. It can create a problem to your social health, your life, your physical and mental health. Okay, spending hours okay with those medias. Before starting the cybercrime, again I want to share some videos. The negative impact of technology. मैं बोल रहा कि you should not use a technology आपको constructive use में. If I'm using technology in a excess amount, what a impact can we have in my body? उसके लिए मैंने एक videos निकाला है. I would like to share with you. Okay. Negative effect of technology. See carefully what is the effect can be of technology.
Technology has been growing since the start of mankind. The earliest accounts of technology include fire, stone tools, domestication of animals, and iron, all important leaps forward in the evolution of mankind. As knowledge grew, the technology became more advanced. When people think of technology today, they think of cell phones, computers, and nuclear energy and warfare. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. Technology presents itself in many different forms in everyday life. It can cut groups, computer, lights, where would you be for more available? Where would you choose? Studies have shown that young people exposed to less technology are more successful in activities.
Less technology, more successful. Be careful. 54%. Between parents and children. Extracurricular activities. Once. Eleven hours of sleep. 11 hours. Music. Just 30. Each hour. Patience. Obesity. Childhood obesity. Type 2 diabetes. Your bone can be affected while watching televisions. Twenty 2 hours per day. Six months straight. Yeah. Now you can see a drawback of technology. Okay, a six month boy is use technology. 1970 तक कोई नहीं होता था. 1970 के बाद more interaction technology and the student who's more successful, जिसका टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ इंटरेक्शंस कम एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी ज्यादा है, दे आर मोर सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. सी टेलीविजन कितना इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है. अगेन आई एम नॉट टोटली अगेंस्ट द टेक्नोलॉजी. देखो लास्ट में एक बात हमने शेयर किया था, कैमरा. कैमरा इज ऑल्सो टेक्नोलॉजी बट इज गुड. इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ फोटो ऑफ नेचर तो आपको नेचुरल बाउंडिंग्स बढ़ता है. यू नो अबाउट द नेचर, दैट इज गुड. कैमरा लिटिल बिट स्टेज में ठीक है. फोटोग्राफी करने से स्ट्रेस कम होता है. फोटोग्राफी से द स्ट्रेस कम डाउन. तो फोटोग्राफी से स्ट्रेस, तो कैमरा एक टेक्नोलॉजी है विच इज हेल्पफुल. ओके, वी कैन से इट्स गुड, बट यू कैन सी सो मच इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेलीविजन, इंटरनेट ऑन योर बॉडी. ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, आपको बोन का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. ओबेसिटी, टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. People are spending their time watching TV and eating of food. And कितना पता है उसने? 7 to 8 hours or 9 hours we are spending a time on technology. This causes a great amount of impact on your body. So please, when you're using a technology, you will have to be very careful. Today I have showed you the 3 videos. ऐसे बहुत सारे videos मैंने निकाला है. Video interaction से आपको और knowledge बढ़ेगा. इससे I'm removing the videos. Almost 4 hours मुझे लगा इतने वीडियोस निकालने में. मैंने 25-30 वीडियोस चेक करने के बाद दिस 7 वीडियोस आई हैव सिलेक्टेड फॉर यू. रिमेनिंग जो साइबर क्राइम्स एंड ऑल, अगेन आई विल शो यू विद द वीडियोस भी बताऊंगा, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी करूंगा. ओके ओके, बट फॉर टुडे वी आर स्टॉपिंग इट. इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. डोंट वरी अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस. हो सकता है वी विल एक्सटेंड द टाइमिंग फ्रॉम मंडे, तो ज्यादा टाइम के लिए हम लोग क्लास लेंगे. यू डोंट वरी अबाउट द क्वेश्चन विल बी कंप्लीटेड. ओके, टिल देन, okay, be safe. Okay, thank you very much.